everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you're new, you're welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. We are talking about Generation the Legacy. I've seen a lot of rest in peace Jack Mabaso, but guys, I'm not convinced. Let's try to make sense of his so-called death. Firstly, it's not the first time he leaves Generation and come back, so really I don't buy their story. Jack is alive according to me. Back in 2016, many people complained when he was resurrected from death and blamed the producers. I feel or I have a feeling they didn't want to repeat the same mistake, so they decided to leave his story with two possible conclusions. If I can take you back, Jack suspected that Siyanda knows something and he might be planning to kill him or getting him arrested. Taking into consideration, he was very close to their mother who was killed by Jack. He told Captain they need to kill Siyanda and later repented with a plan B. Jack had a discussion with the Captain where he was telling him about his bad dream. He assumed it was a warning that something bad was going to happen to him. He concluded by saying he can't kill his own blood again. He better escape to overseas, and I believe he faked his death so that Siyanda can have closure or can move on. Really guys, Jack is not a dying type of a person. He will come back in future and continue where he left. It's unfortunate that Siyanda will always be guilty of killing his brother. And again, we didn't hear any sound of Jack crying or shouting. We only heard the grinder grinding what we don't know, and the so-called Jack's body was nowhere to be found. If you believe the version of my story, shout out on the comment section, and if you don't, please share your opinion. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.